The Pose Highlighter Duo is the HD Ultra Shimmer Highlighter. So it comes in two shades. One is a champagne gold and the other is a rose gold. So what the highlighter does, it has little shimmer particles in it which reflects the light. So on the camera, it really brings out your high points on your face. The cheekbones, the nose, the cupid's bow. So if you want to draw attention to it and you want to look strong and you want to strike a pose, that's the way forward. I would use a defined fluffy brush like this, and I would use it on the high points of your face. The cheekbones, the cupid's bow, the nose. I would apply it very gently, brush a little bit forward, a little bit backwards, up and down, but keep it narrow. The champagne gold I would use on fairer skin, and the rose gold looks softer on duskier skin. What I love about this product, it's very lightweight and it's easy to blend, but yet you still get that high impact shine.